Welcome back, Crammers, to question 5. Adisha plays basketball for her school. Here is the number of points that she scored in each of the 9 games. Find the mode of the numbers of points that Adisha scored. Mode is most common value, so we can see 15 is repeated 1, 2, 3 times. So we can put 15 3 times. 16 is only repeated once, so we can put 16 as once. 18 is repeated twice, so we can put that here as twice. 17, 13, and 19 are all ones. 17, 13, and 19 are all ones. We can see that the highest is 15, so we simply write here is 15. Work out the range of the numbers of points Adisha scored. Range is simply largest minus smallest. So the largest value here we have is 19, and the smallest value we have is 13. So 19 minus 13 gives us 6. Thanks for watching. Cram, then scram.